What's going on, guys? It's me and JT, but you can call me Nick, and that's right, we're back. And today we're going to be ending Choo Charles. And look at the chain, bro. That looks insane. We are ready to take him down today. So let's continue and let's finish this off. So we'll definitely finish it today, because I think we're going to go get the last egg, which is what we're going to go do right now. And then we're going to put them all in the shrine as we were told to do. And then we're going to have a final showdown. So let's do it, guys.
Fight to the death.
That's right. Also, guys, look, I had a I have an advent calendar, right? And look what I got today. How convenient is that? I got a bloody train. How good is that? Alright, so where are we going?
The train has a lot of health gone, bro.
Oh, it does too. Why is that marked? Ah, yes. A mine or a tomb. So we've got to go to the egg. Oh, okay, we only have 2 missions. We're going to get the egg, finish it. Finish it, yeah, like that. Oh, look at that. We're missing a few paints. We're going to go get one from the cave now. We'll get probably get one from the shrine, and then I've lost the last one. That's probably second. I'm going to have to
Then go looking for it.
Hey?
We'll have to go looking for it after, maybe.
Oh, yeah, of course. Oh,
Got all the scrap, baby.
Get our last scrap. I mean, all we're gonna need is to
heal it up.
yeah, heal it. That's all we need it for. I'm assuming.
Well, currently it's at 50 HP anyway, so you need to bump it up a little bit.
Look at this one. What the hell is that, man? All right, let's go. Let's see what awaits us down here. There's probably gonna be like heaps of cult members down here, like heaps. But probably not as much as
the blood, bro.
Yeah, it's a bit of bloodshed down here, eh?
Yay.
Alright, here we go.
Sneak around!
Oh, okay, he's gone up there.
What is this place? This is a big ass cave, bro.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Did I get caught
Run,
already?
run,
Yep,
run,
oh well.
Run!
Hey, oh my god, they're coming from everywhere. What did I say, bro?
Out.
Oh, crap. Oh!
Look at him.
Go. Ooh.
Oh!
He was right behind me. Crap, where's the chest at? I need to get the chest. Go.
The chest have the paint.
Yeah, the chest always has the paint. Ah, go!
Oh my god.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, good luck shooting me from there, boys.
Yeah, just look down, bro.
Shouldn't be here.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Ouch!
oh!
I'm gonna shoot you.
What's this? Why is there a dead end there, bro? What was there a dead end for, man? Come on.
Uh-oh.
Well, that's a shame.
Alright, don't go right here. Keep going straight.
Yeah, that's because that's a dead end.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be here.
Whoa!
Dead end.
Bang. Bang!
Oh!
Nah, that's bad.
Red
Get the egg.
Wish you never came here.
Okay, please, yep, chest.
He's right behind you, though.
Alright, go. Quick! No, give me the chest, please. He's not even
doing damage to you anyway. He doesn't mean anything, bro.
Okay. I think, is there something on the right? Should I go back?
Keep going straight, I guess.
Mate, go. Oh,
my
yes.
God.
Alright, now we just gotta survive up here. Oh, we're straight out.
Look over there.
Here
Who's
you go,
that?
run. What was that
Oh
of him,
my
bro?
god. Ow. Go.
Run.
Bro, watch
That's
Charles
the mark
come
on
out.
the train.
Oh, no. Crap, where is the train? Oh my god. Bro. Oh my god.
What is that move?
I'm serpentining, bro.
Keep going. Oh!
You better hope you're fast.
Come on.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Crap, that's not the train. Oh no. Where's the train? Where's the train? There. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We'll take him down. Go, 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 go.
Just get him, boys!
Bang! Oh, I missed. Oh, well.
How goofy that reload is.
Oh. Oh, crap. Go back. Wrong way, mate. Oh, also, look at this. Look at the detail on the map. So, let's say you zoom in, right? Look at that.
That's so good. Can
And
you see
can-
Charles on the map?
No, you can't, but you can see, oh, maybe if he spawns, but look, if you go to, like, let's say water, like, it's really cool. And,
Yeah, because you
also-
go in there, that's the water, that's the water.
if you go, like, up really close, you can see scrap, and you can, like, see the scrap and, like, the water.
Can you get closer than that?
Nah, that's as close as you get, but if you look around closely, you can see the scrap. It's really, really cool. It's really, I find that amazing how he's done that. I have a slight feeling that we're going to encounter Charles really soon. Probably, I'm not sure if we're going to encounter him before the final fight, but we'll see. We might, lucky. Because we haven't gotten many, like, well, we haven't gotten many, like, proper train fights, you know. Oh, crap, man. Almost here. We might have to take some of these guys down the train. We might. Alright, let's go. Oh, there's gonna be heaps. Oh, well, too late now. It's probably a pain, like, there's probably, like, heaps of pain that I missed.
And go for pain, bro.
Take that. I'll take that. We're gonna get shot like crazy. There's even a barn here.
Intruder!
Oh god. Oh, there's a chest. Yeah, there is paint. Uh-oh.
Did you close the door? Are you here?
Oh my
yes, you do.
god. Okay, yeah, let's be a bit more careful there.
After, bro.
Oh man. This is gonna be
Who's he?
Ow.
Ooh.
I got like a
The
headshot.
wrong way,
bro.
anyways.
Where
bro.
the hell do I? Oh, I'm getting from here. Go, go, go! Open, open, open! Oh my god! Look at this!
Put in,
What
put
the
in,
hell?
put in.
Oh no! I missed it. I missed it completely. I'm gonna have to run around back round. Oh, I'm healing.
Get him, boys!
Faster! I want the paint, man. No! No! Come on! Yes!
Can't
No!
aim. Can't aim, isn't it?
I think they're stuck at the door. What do we get? What do we get? Oh, scrap.
Crap.
I'll take that. I'll take that.
Yeah, you need to go that
I
gone.
just lost it. Well, I know there's a paint can somewhere around there, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to find that later.
Check out the red, maybe.
Oh, actually, yeah, good idea. Not bad, but black's, you know. Oh, I'm spewing about that. I missed 2 paint cans, man. 2.
Well, honestly, I don't think I can even fit in those
Oh.
places.
Oh, I thought that was a paint.
Not that way, not that way.
That!
Yep,
Oops.
there you go.
Oops. Come on, let's get in.
We got company!
Put him there. Oh, cutscene.
It's all disappeared, bro.
Look at these, bro. Got the 3 eggs. Let's do this. Let's end it. Bang. Bang. Uh-oh. And number 3.
Step away from the
What the
shrine,
hell, Warren?
stranger. You don't know what you're doing. Just put the egg down slowly and lay flat on the ground.
I think we all know what's gonna happen.
You'll hurt far too many people if you follow through with whatever you're planning.
Oh my god.
Chicken, bro.
No! You fool! You doomed us all!
Oh! What the? Oh. Oh. Oh my god, look at him, he's insane. Bro, look at the whole town. Jesus. Oh, there goes Warren. This music's sick. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's end this. Hell yeah! Oh my god. Oh, bang! Hell child. Bro, look at his legs! Bro, this music's insane.
Your chain's getting messed up.
Oh crap, hell.
What is that?
What the hell? Bro, we're destroying him. He's insane. Oh my god. Get away from me, man. Ah! Oh, I'm gonna have to do my train.
Heal your chain up, bro. Heal your chain up, heal your chain up.
Bro, look at him, he's smiling. This is helpful. So we almost got him. Oh crap, he's teleporting.
Heal your chain again, bro.
Yes. He's almost gone, man. We almost got him. Bro, look, this is insane. Bro. Oh, what the hell? Where's he taking us, man? I'm gonna take him to that bridge. Come on! One more hit! Yes!
We're gonna lose here.
Yes! Got him. Oh, we're on the bridge. Bye! Whoa. Whoa! Wow, what an insane kill, bro. Oh, that's it. Wow.
Yeah, it was very fast.
That was a short but sweet little final fight there.
Those 2 missions took us like 10 minutes, literally. 10 minutes
I
and
know,
5,
that literally
15
took us
minutes.
10 minutes, man. That was, I mean, that was a bit quick,
Don't-
bro.
Don't leave yet, don't leave right yet.
No, I'm not, but I think I could have been branched out a little bit more. I did like though that Charles, bro. Look at him, man. 2-star games. Good on you, man. Unreal. Yeah. Let's see.
Wait for it, wait for it.
What the hell?
Is that another egg? Oh, what was that? It's another egg, isn't it?
That is, yeah. It's like an orange one. Where the hell is this? Oh, look at this
It's a
guy.
spider's nest.
Oh,
There's only one egg, but
touching, bro.
wait till it turns around. Just focus. There's a little bit more of a surprise at the end.
What the hell? What? Oh my god. That's heaps, bro. There's heaps of eggs. Oh, imagine all those hatch up. We'd be done. Multiple Charles, man. Damn, that was crazy.
And that's it.
And that's it. Well, what now? What happens if I click continue? What's gonna happen? Jeez, that ending was intriguing.
quick.
It was
That
quick.
boss fight was
yeah.
very easily.
Yeah, that boss fight was pretty easy. I think they could have. So what now? Is it just gonna repeat the? Yeah, it's just the last mission. Okay. Let's talk about. Excuse me. Let's talk about Choo Choo Charles. Not a bad game. For one guy doing it all, I think it was surprising. It was good. But I think, as we all knew, the game was quite short. very repetitive. You just had to go to an NPC, do a mission, and then that's it. But the ideas and the concept of the whole game was fantastic. I love the idea. A bloody train that's like Thomas the Tank Engine is coming after you, and I think the way you travel around and all the different guns and the whole mechanics and the cult members, that was some really fun aspects, and even design, even the train itself and all the paint cans you can collect is really fun. And I think the Charles fights are the best part of the game, and I think that could have been included a bit more. Than with me and Harry, we barely encountered Charles throughout this whole playthrough, so it wasn't boring, but you know, it wasn't as exciting as maybe some other YouTubers you watch. But still a very solid game for one guy. I think he did a great job. I mean, I just wish that final boss fight could have been a bit more. I don't know, the stakes could have been a bit higher. You know, like it could have been. It could have been a bit better. Well,
wasn't there many train chases?
Yeah, we had like.
There was like one, and that's it.
Yeah, I think Charles should have like his spawn rate should be increased heaps. Unless I'm just unlucky, I'm only get him a lot, but I don't think.
I think it's just because the game was really quick. Like if it was another hour or two, it would have had much more encounters, I think.
Yeah, and I think the missions were really repetitive. I did like though the Slender Man mission and the Crocodile mission where you had to go through the water. Those were cool because those were unique and they were different.
Oh, he's coming! He's coming!
But like I think we could have they could have done a bit, you know, a bit more with the missions, and they could have had a few more unique things, you know. Like we barely fight Charles, and I mean, I think there should be a bit more replayability to it, you know. I mean, I know I'm complaining a lot about the game, but it was still. Let's be real. The graphics are great. The aesthetics are great. The fights you have are great. The whole story.
Just speak to them like this.
I know, I'm gonna try that out. Let's see. I don't think you can, but the game itself, I would give it a rating out of 6.5. I'd say 6.5. Okay, now this is fun. This is fun. What would
this is the first time it's happened to me.
Yeah, like the final boss. The final boss was really fun. Like it. Yeah, see, look, he just runs away. Wait, can we see Charles on the map like you said? No. Well, guys, that was Choo Charles. A really interesting. It was a smaller game, but it was really fun. I did enjoy this game. A few little things there, but I think they are going to update this game. I hope they do. If they update this game, that would be awesome. That would be legendary. But yeah, that was my playthrough on Choo Charles, guys. Harry, thank you for joining us today.
People letting me join, bro.
No, all good, man. I think, Harry, you made it a bit fun of the experience for everyone, not just for me. But yeah, so please like and subscribe. That was Choo Charles. Great series. Fun, cool, small.
One more question.
Go.
Is it worth $30?
If they update it, yes. If this is just the game, no. That's my
like
thing.
that opinion.
The price be further down. Yeah, maybe 20. 20 would be reasonable, very reasonable. But if they update the game, then I can understand. But we'll see, guys. So yeah, please like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. That was Choo Charles. Goodbye.